6 subtle moves that make her daydream about you. Men often don't realize that women can start daydreaming about them over the smallest things. Most guys keep missing cues and stumbling through the wrong moves, wondering why nothing ever connects. Don't be that guy. 6 subtle actions can change you from background noise to the man she's fantasizing about. The final tip will completely transform how you see flirting. Number 1. Be totally absorbed in your own world. When you're engrossed in what you love, fixing something, reading or laughing with friends she notices, you aren't trying to impress anyone. That's magnetic. She starts imagining what it'd feel like to have all your attention on her. It's not about playing hard to get, it's about living so passionately in your own world that she wants in. Number 2. Mirror her movements naturally. You may match her moves without realizing it, leaning forward when she does or laughing a beat after she laughs. These small subconscious gestures send a powerful signal of chemistry. When she's lying in bed, she remember how in sync you both felt and wonder if you sensed it too. Number 3. Exude a subtle, irresistible scent. You walk by her and she catches a hint of your natural scent, nothing overpowering, just fresh. That faint aroma lingers in her memory. She imagines what it'd feel like to lean in for another whiff. It's instinctive. You didn't say a word yet you've planted yourself in her mind. Number 4. Hold back a little and let her lean in. When you respond with a confident grin instead of jumping in, you create suspense. Most guys would have seized the moment, but you don't, and she notices. That brief pause isn't rejection, it's you staying composed. And that flicker of restraint becomes pure fantasy fuel in her mind. Number 5. Playfully tease with genuine confidence. Drop a quick playful tease her way, a sly smile, or a cheeky jab, and you show her that she's seen and respected, not someone to tiptoe around. That playful confidence creates cinematic tension. Think of those movie scenes where banter leads to a slow-burning spark. That's the vibe you're creating. Number 6. Speak in a slightly deeper tone. Notice how she hangs on every word when you speak, lowering your pitch just a notch hits a primal note. Even if she doesn't realize it, her body reacts. A naturally deeper, grounded tone exudes confidence. That's the voice she remembers when she's lying awake replaying your words. There you have it, 6 subtle ways to make her see you in a whole new light. Keep being genuine, let these changes work their magic. If any of these surprised you, hit like and subscribe for more dating tips. Did you catch yourself doing any of them? Let me know below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching and see you next time.